first lesson we have for you guys out there is bears' priorities of survival and the rules of three. So follow me. So the first lesson is bears' priorities of survival. Bear works on a please remember what's first. P being for protection. Protection from the elements, protection from the weather, protection from everything around you to make sure you're safe in a survival situation. Rescue, making yourself visible, making yourself out there so that if anyone's looking for you, they will be able to find you. The next one is water. Keeping yourself hydrated is very important in a survival situation because you've got to be motivated to move forward, making every second count. So food's very important in a survival situation, and Bear talks a lot about that. You need the calories in your body to move forward, keep yourself dynamic, and find yourself rescue. Rescue is out there, it's up to you, so never give up. And now I'm going to move on to the rules of three. The reason why Bear has the priorities of survival is because the rules of three adjoin to each one. The first one being 3 minutes. 3 minutes without oxygen. Next one, 3 hours. 3 hours from the elements. Be it hot, be it cold, it's the elements, you have 3 hours. 3 days without hydration, so without water, 3 days. 3 weeks without food. Very important to remember, they all go with Bear's priority of survival. Please remember what's first. Remember, survival can be tough. Every second counts, and remember to never give up.